Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Portal 2 on Mac. First, let's ensure your system is ready. You'll need a Mac running at least OS X Lion 1.7, a 2.0 GHz Intel Core 2 Duo processor, and 2 GB of RAM. Also, make sure you have at least 8 GB of free hard drive space. Meeting these specifications ensures a smooth gaming experience. Next, you'll need the Steam client, which is the primary platform for Portal 2. Visit the official Steam website and download the installer for Mac. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch Steam. If you're new, create a free account. Otherwise, simply log in with your existing credentials to proceed. With Steam installed and running, it's time to get Portal 2. Navigate to the Steam store using the search bar at the top. Type Portal 2 and select the game from the results. You can then purchase it and add it to your game library. Once purchased, click the Install button. The game will begin downloading, which might take some time depending on your internet speed. Finally, you're ready to play. Go to your Steam library where you'll find Portal 2 listed. Click on the game title and then simply hit the large play button. Before diving in, consider checking the in-game video and audio settings. Adjusting these can significantly enhance your experience, ensuring smooth gameplay and clear sound. Now, prepare for an amazing adventure with GLaDOS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.